wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.
Put down my bag, sit on my chair.
Joyous.
I love playing, I love learning.
Joyous. And this is how we learn.
Yay!
Hi children, welcome back. We are still at cat. Okay, now we are going to do some playtime with cat, that we are going to draw a cat scratching or playing with the scratching pose. And then we are going to color the American short hair cat as well as color the Persian cat. What's the difference between Persian cat and American short hair cat? So Persian cat have fluffy fur and the American short hair have short fur. Alright children, get ready with your color pencil and I shall see you in 1 second. Alright, are you ready to draw children? Great, so the first one we are going to draw the face. Surround face like this, and then there's ears. How many ears? 2 ears, yep. And then there's the hand over here. We're going to do the body. Let's draw the leg over here. There you go! The cat is playing at the scratching pose. So now we are done with the drawing. We are going to color the cat. My cat will be a grey cat. I'm using this color. Coloring the face. Make sure it's not going outside of the line. The face is almost done. The ears over here. And the body. Here. This part we'll leave it blank first because I'm going to use another color for it. Color the legs. The other one. And the tail. Alright, and then I'm going to use black marker for the eyes. And then I'll take pink color for this part. And the nose. And let's see, the mouth is black color. This part, and we are going to do the outline, okay? 2, 3, 4. Go over here. Go up here for the tail. And go down again. There you go. That is the cat playing with the scratching pose, colored already. You're done! Alright, now we move on to cat coloring, and this is American short hair. So for American short hair, what can we see over here? We can see grey color fur with black fur over here. And then there's pink nose and yellow eyes. Alright, I am ready to color and I am sure you do too. Alright, let's start. Color the grey part over here. And the stripes will be black, right? Move on to the next one. That is done. We're going to do the stripes, and that is black color. Right, and yellow eyes, in nose, and in ears. There you go. And that is done for American short hair. We have gray and black, yellow eyes, as well as pink ears. And we're done with American short hair. Alright, now we are moving on to Persian cat. This is the last cat that we are going to do coloring. And what color is the cat? It is orange color. So you can see over here there's layers of color, but it's okay. We can use orange and combine with a bit of yellow or white. Alright, so I have my color over here and I will start coloring the tail first. There you go, children. We're done with our last coloring and it's a Persian cat. Good job. Alright, children, and we're all back. We complete all our activities for today, which is cat scratching, like we draw the cat scratching and playing at the scratching pose, and then we color the American short hair beautifully, as well as the Persian cat. I hope you enjoyed the activity for today, children, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!
Bye-bye!
I wake up in the morning, I'm ready for the school. My friends and teachers waiting, and it is time for school. Let's go! Joyous.
Hello teachers, hello my friends.
Joyous.